once knew, and hearts I can't untangle from my own. I go in my head.
You know what? I am currently in the nature reserve in the mountains. I'm busy hiking. Yeah. Okay then. Goodbye. That was fucking weird. A call center just called me in the middle of a hiking. See, right in the mountains. We are in the mountains. That's like seriously weird. After a hell of a long drive, we have finally reached the entrance to our hiking trail, Stellenbosch to the waterfalls.
Hanging by a thread, drifting through her hair. One day you will find that it's time to get your hopes up. They try to kick me, but I won't budge. Ooh.
Yo, Lucian, how's the water? Very cool. Ah, this water is nice and cold. It's nice and cool. Feels good. I'm carrying actually heavy equipment on the side and I'm sweating like hell. And the sweat is going in my eyes right now, so I'm gonna put this off.
Nowhere left to hide long. A masquerade with the lights on. Ooh.
Are you okay? You sure?
I think so.
Okay, cool. You might just shout if you in the break.
It's a feeling that I can't explain. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. And don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. And don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. And don't look down, everything will be fine for you now.
We just got ourselves into a whole lot of climbing. You see how awesome it is.
Move alone, but in the company of friends. And I had a dream. It wasn't just a dream. Ooh, it's a feeling I just can't contain. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. Don't look down, everything will be
Let's go a
fine
bit
for
closer.
you.
I haven't tried out the figure eight yet because I'm a bit scared that this now breaks apart because I haven't glued it together. So I'm a bit scared it breaks apart and it falls right into, the camera just falls down because it's like seriously like just there. Like we are like on the ledge.
Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now.
The adventure ain't over yet until we get down. It'll be tricky. It will be tricky. It will be tricky. It will be tricky to get down here. It will be tricky to get down here. Get up. How did I get up here? Okay, I'm up. I think I did hurt my foot. Yeah. By the rock there at the bottom. Lucian had a full idea to pull on water and he put it there in the river. So this is a bridge so we can have some nice cool water. You call it yourself now. You can turn it around to me. Nice and cool. And this guy here is just eating chocolates on chocolates on chocolates. Making our way back. Another long drive back here as well.